Tama po kayo, yung simpleng proseso na malinaw naman na nakasulat sa ating Philippine Constitution, ginugulo pa ho nila. And for many of us, hindi lang po sa prosecutors, maybe the media, maybe the public, I'm sure we're all anxious. Siguro ang daming tanong sa atin, sa ating mga isipan, kung bakit nila ginagawa itong bagay na ito, na malinaw naman that they have to proceed with trial. So, madami tuloy bisbis na lumalabas, madaming haka-haka, but it's really because the people want answers and they want trial to proceed. So, iyan po ang response ko po, and I think that's the response also of the other prosecutors.
Okay. Pero ma'am, na-delay na nga ng na-delay. Dapat June 2 kayo di ba? Magbabasa ng articles of impeachment. Biglang naging June 11. Ano pa ba yung pwede nating asahan kung ilang araw na lang nun magbe-break na naman?
Okay. Banggitin ko po, in fact, yung June 2 na sinabi nilang pagbasa ng articles of impeachment, wala naman hong nakalagay sa ating saligang batas or sa rules ng Senado, the Senate rules on impeachment, na kailangan basahin in their open session. In previous impeachment proceedings here, yung kay Erap, yung kay Corona, hindi naman ho ginawa yung pagbasa. But okay, granting na gusto po ng ating Senate President ay sundin ang ginagawa sa Amerika, we were ready before June to present, to read the articles in their session. Kaya lang nga po, nilipat na naman ho nila. And now, dahil nilipat nila, they're dangling the issue na wala ng time. Sa totoo lang po, may time nga ho dapat. And kami po, we do not subscribe to their theory na walang time kasi continuing procedure po to. Dapat tumuloy even after the 19th Congress.